Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Freshdesk Helpdesk data with exports easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin backing up your Freshdesk Helpdesk data, log in to your Freshdesk account. Once logged in, navigate to the Reports section found on the left sidebar. In the Reports section, select the type of data you wish to export, such as tickets, customers, or solutions. After choosing the desired report, you will see various filters on the page. Use these filters to customize the data you want to include in your export. Once you've set your filters, look for the Export option, typically located at the top right of the report. Click on the Export button to proceed. A drop-down menu will appear, offering different export formats, such as CSV or Excel. Select your preferred format for the export. After selecting the format, the system will begin preparing your data for download. You will receive a notification once your data is ready for download. Click on the notification or go back to the Reports section to locate your exported file. Download the file by clicking on the provided link. Once the file is downloaded, check your computer for the file location. Open the file to ensure all the intended data is present and correctly formatted. You have now successfully backed up your Freshdesk Helpdesk data. For best practices, consider backing up your data regularly to maintain up-to-date records. If you need to back up more data types, repeat the process for each category needed. This simple export feature provides an easy way to keep your data secure and accessible. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.